Have you ever gazed upon the majestic pyramids of Giza and felt an overwhelming sense of wonder? For millennia, these colossal structures have stood as silent testaments to ancient ingenuity, baffling historians, engineers, and archaeologists alike. How did a civilization, thousands of years ago, achieve such monumental feats of construction without the aid of modern machinery? What if we told you that the very technology shaping our future, artificial intelligence, is now peeling back 4,500 years of history to reveal the pyramid's deepest engineering secrets? Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey where cutting-edge AI meets ancient marvels, decoding one of humanity's greatest and most enduring mysteries. This isn't just history, it's a thrilling intersection of past and future, revealing astonishing truths about human potential. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a structure that held the record for the tallest man-made creation for over 3,800 years, is more than just a pile of stones. It's a masterpiece of precision engineering, built with an accuracy that still astounds experts today. Imagine constructing a monument weighing millions of tons, perfectly aligned with true north, with sides that vary in length by mere centimeters. This level of exactitude, achieved without compasses, GPS, or even iron tools as we know them, has fueled countless theories, from the plausible to the fantastical. For centuries, the how remained largely speculative, relying on archaeological finds and educated guesses. But now, a new era of discovery is dawning, powered by the analytical might of artificial intelligence. Archaeology, a field traditionally rooted in meticulous excavation and manual analysis, is undergoing a profound transformation. Today, researchers are deploying AI-powered 3D scanning and advanced machine learning algorithms to scrutinize every single stone, every minute gap, and every precise angle of these ancient structures. This isn't just about looking at the pyramids, it's about digitally dissecting them. High-resolution laser scans create incredibly detailed point cloud renderings of the pyramid's exterior and interior. This massive dataset, far too complex for human eyes to process efficiently, becomes the perfect playground for AI. Machine learning models are trained to identify patterns, measure dimensions, and detect anomalies with unprecedented accuracy, revealing secrets hidden in plain sight for millennia. The insights gleaned from AI analysis are nothing short of astonishing. Our AI models can measure the minute gaps between massive stone blocks, often revealing tolerances of less than a millimeter. They can calculate the angular accuracy of the pyramid's faces, confirming deviations as small as 0.02 degrees from perfect alignment. This level of precision, achieved with rudimentary tools, is a testament to the ancient builders' profound understanding of geometry and construction. These findings aren't just academic curiosities, they provide concrete evidence of the incredible skill and meticulous planning involved. For tech enthusiasts, it highlights the power of data analysis. For history buffs, it deepens our appreciation for ancient civilizations. The AI isn't just confirming what we suspected, it's quantifying the genius of a bygone era, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible without modern technology. Beyond the construction site itself, AI is revolutionizing our understanding of the ancient supply chain. How did the Egyptians transport millions of tons of stone, some from quarries hundreds of miles away, to the Giza plateau? This logistical challenge was immense, and AI is helping us piece together the puzzle. By crunching vast amounts of satellite imagery, geological data, and historical maps, AI algorithms can pinpoint the exact quarries from which specific types of stone were extracted. Furthermore, they can simulate and analyze potential transport routes, considering factors like river currents, terrain, and the feasibility of ancient transportation methods like barges and sledges. This allows us to visualize the incredible network of resources and labor that fed the pyramid building machine, offering a comprehensive look at ancient project management on an epic scale. The most enduring mystery surrounding the pyramids is the actual construction method. Was it a massive straight ramp, a spiraling ramp, or perhaps a system of levers and counterweights? AI is now providing a powerful tool to test these theories through sophisticated simulations. By creating detailed 3D physics simulations, AI can model the movement of colossal stone blocks under various conditions. These simulations allow researchers to compare different proposed techniques, analyzing factors like the required manpower, the energy expenditure, and the time needed for each method. For instance, an AI can simulate a block being hauled up a ramp, calculating the friction, the force required, and the optimal slope. It can then compare this to a lever system, assessing its efficiency. This data-driven approach helps us narrow down the most plausible methods, moving beyond speculation to evidence-based conclusions about ancient engineering. While AI deciphers the technical aspects, it also helps us understand the human element behind these monumental achievements. By integrating data from archaeological findings, historical texts, and the construction simulations, AI models can estimate the size of the workforce required and the realistic project timelines. These models suggest that a highly organized workforce of around 20,000 skilled laborers could have built the Great Pyramid in approximately 20 years. This isn't just a number. It paints a vivid picture of an incredibly sophisticated society capable of immense organization, resource management, and long-term planning. It highlights the dedication, skill, and sheer human effort that went into creating these timeless wonders. The pyramids stand not only as monuments to ancient engineering, but also as testaments to the collective ambition and collaborative spirit of an entire civilization. The application of AI in archaeology is just beginning, and its potential is truly boundless. We're not just looking at old stones. We're using the most advanced technology to unlock the deepest secrets of human history, revealing the incredible ingenuity of our ancestors. This fusion of AI and ancient history is transforming our understanding of the past, proving that the greatest mysteries can be solved with innovative thinking and powerful tools. What other ancient secrets do you believe AI could help us uncover? Perhaps the lost city of Atlantis, the true purpose of Stonehenge, or the construction methods of the Roman aqueducts. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has only just begun. If you're as fascinated by this blend of ancient marvels and cutting-edge technology as we are, then don't keep this discovery to yourself. Smash that like button to show your support for groundbreaking research, and hit subscribe to join our community of curious minds exploring the frontiers of knowledge. And most importantly, drop a comment below with your thoughts and what ancient mystery you want AI to tackle next. Your engagement fuels our exploration into the past and future.